Hi, welcome to Techie Fan. To know that what is going on here. Yeah, so we are waiting for it. For X as it is a super and the global variable. After running, we can see that will clearance. So we are mentioning that my function. So we are going to print the value inside the my function, my Python it below the before the global X is awesome, and then awesome double and in exclamation symbol is mentioned there. Then also we are unable to access the global variable. So for calling the global variable, what we need to